Let's look at how to descale your Oracle Jet espresso machine. A pop-up message will show on screen when it's time to descale. If you need to perform a manual descale, first access the Settings menu by touching the cog icon on the upper right of the screen. Then scroll down and select Descale. The descale process takes approximately 10 minutes, and the Oracle Jet will guide you through all the steps on screen to complete the process. Once completed, your machine is ready for your next cup of great tasting coffee.